Thank you for your interest in TOTAKU industry products. We will now explain the installation procedure of our exclusive assembly system, SHIMETAC. SHIMETAC is our new coupling system that allows you to attach our special fitting to a hose using a clamp tightened with bolts. The left photo shows the holder, the center photo shows the special fitting, and the right photo shows the special fitting attached to the hose using the holder. Please use the holder and the special fitting together as a set. The main feature of SHIMETAC is that SHIMETAC can be used up to the allowable pressure of the hose. The secret lies within the holder. The ring of the special fitting and the outer surface of the hose fit into the groove of the holder, as the entire holder is tightened with bolts, making it difficult for the fitting to come off. This allows the SHIMETAC to be used up to the allowable pressure of the hose. Here are the installation instructions for SHIMETAC. First, insert the SHIMETAC fitting into the cut hose. Next, fit holder B under the hose. Holder B is placed on the underside of the hose. Adjust so that the end of the hose is on top. Next, fit holder A onto the upper side of the hose. Insert the bolts into the holder. Tighten the bolts evenly to the specified torque to complete the installation. Watch the full installation process. The products being shown are Japan's best-selling hose, Line Ace, SHIMETAC holder for Line Ace, and the SHIMETAC M1 SUS fitting. Attach the special fitting on the existing steel pipe. Insert the special fitting into the hose. Place holder B under the hose. Adjust the end of the hose so that the end of the hose is flush with the fitting. Align the ring of the metal fitting and the outer surface of the hose with the groove of the holder. Attach the holder A. Insert each bolt and tighten evenly until all bolts are secure. Check that the torque wrench is set to the desired torque. Tighten to the specified torque value. Even if there is a gap between the holders, as long as the previous steps were done correctly, there will not be any performance issues. The installation is complete. It took about 3 minutes to complete the steps. As you can see, SHIMETAC is not only easy to work with, it is also an economical product with excellent pressure resistance. We hope you will consider using SHIMETAC for your hose installation needs. Thank you very much for watching our video.